All right, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to trim edit your clips and add titles and captions. So what we're going to start with is a clip here in our timeline that we've already got Caden here interviewing someone. So we're going to start a trim edit, which we just click and we got the red box and we can drag that as far as we want or drag it back out as far as we want. So if I zoom in down here at the bottom, I can see that there's a little dead audio. I'm going to bring it in just before the start of that dead audio. Then I'm going to slide my clip back to the start. So when we hit play, right there. Now, there's another way to trim this. If I slide it out and take the clip all the way back out, we can also use the razor blade. We can go right to where we want to do it. Clip it, hit there, hit delete, and it's gone. And now we get the same effect. That's pretty simple. You can do the same anywhere in the clip. If you mess up, you can always do the edit undo button. The second thing we're going to do is how to add a legacy title. That's the simplest title for you guys to add. So we're going to start with File, New, Legacy Title. Sorry. Legacy Title. Now that's going to bring us into Title 01. You can name it whatever. We can expand this screen right here to kind of make it bigger if we want, taller. We can bring up all of our letters. So what we're going to do first is insert a box. This box is going to be white. You want to make it the full length. We kind of want to center it on this line here. Change the color to black. Then we're going to click on text. Click up here in the start. Just type okay. It's in black. It's going to be naturally black. So we're going to change that over to white. And then we're going to use our arrow key to drag it down here and line it up. So we'll center him up. When we're done, we just hit X, then we go down here and we drop our lower thirds title right on top. If we want to edit this, we can double click here. We can move the box up and down. We can also move the name. You can type a new name over here for whoever you need. You can also do different variants down here of word art, which is kind of cool. If we wanted to make it, give it like a 3D effect. Play around with that. You can do different shapes. Lots of things you can do in the old legacy titles. But for this simple project, we just want his name and the lower thirds title on top of your video. When you're done, you go to File, Save, and then you're going to export it. And I've covered exporting in the last video, so you should already know how to do that. All right, so for this project, you learned how to trim edit, how to razor edit, and how to add a lower thirds title.